Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about seventh problem in 7.1 exercise. A beacon makes one revolution every 10 seconds. It is located on a ship which is anchored 5 kilometers from a straight shore line. How fast is the beam moving along the shore line, which when it makes an angle of 45 degrees with the shore? So this meaning, beacon meaning one instrument to send the signals. That is the one instruments located on a ship. This is the seashore. This is the shore. This is the sea. This is the water, fully water. This is the sea shore. Shoreline. This is the sea. Okay, this is the sea. This is the shoreline. One ship is stand here. One ship is stand here. On the ship, one beacon located here. One beacon. This is the one instrument to send the signals. Beacon. After that, this ship is anchored 5 kilometers from a straight shore. This is located at 5 kilometers from the shore. This is the 5 kilometers. How fast is the beam moving along the shoreline when it makes an angle 45 degrees with the shore? So this beacon send the signals to shoreline. This is the beam length. This signal angle makes a theta. So he asking how fast is the beam moving along the shoreline. So this is the fastness. So this length is, let us x. This is the beam length. This is moving towards this side. That time theta variable like this. So if theta is equal to 45, then difference with respect to t, dx by dt, how much? Dx by dt, how much he asking? So this is the x, this is the 5 kilometers, this angle is the theta. This is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. From this, tan theta is equal to x by 5. Tan theta is equal to x by 5. 1. And this theta rate of change d theta by dt is given. D theta by dt. So here beacon makes one revolution for every 10 seconds. For 10 seconds, one revolution completed. For 1 second, 2 pi radians by 10 seconds. So full revolution means 2 pi radians, 2 pi by 10 per second. This is the 2 pi, one revolution per 10 seconds. So this is radian per second. Per second. D theta by dt is the 2 pi by 10 radian per second. One revolution 10 seconds. So this is the per second. cubit. Next here relation tan theta is equal to x by 5 from this diagram. So we take the cross multiplication, x is equal to 5 tan theta. So here if theta is equal to 45 degrees, then dx by dt how much? That is the question here. We find the dx by dt. So from this, differentiating with respect to t, differentiating with respect to t on both sides, on both sides. Now dx by dt is equal to 5 into tan theta differentiation secant square theta, theta differentiation d theta by dt. Okay. Now dx by dt is equal to 5 into where theta is 45 degrees, secant square 45 degrees, d theta by dt, that is 2 pi radians per 10 seconds, this value. So next 5 into secant square 45, sec 45 value root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, sec 45 root 2, root 2 square, this is 2 5 by 10. Now 5 into 10, 10, this 10 cancel, is equal to 2 pi. This is the dx by dt. So here distance in kilometers or time in seconds. So here dx by dt, x in distance, it is kilometer, 25 kilometer per second. That beam rate of change is the 25 kilometer per second. Now 8th problem. A conical water tank with vertex down of 12 meters height has a radius of 5 meters at the top. If water flows into the tank at a rate of 10 cubic meter per minute, how fast is the depth of the water increases when the water is 8 meters deep? How much? That is the question. So here the diagram is a conical tank, with vertex down, cone, and opposite is the inverted cone. Here inverted cone given. This is the inverted cone, this is the vertex. This is the vertex. This is the height of the cone. This is the height of the cone. This is the radius of the cone. This is R. R value given. R is how much given? Radius 5 meters. 5 meters given. This is the radius of the cone at the top. This is the height of the cone. This is the height of the cone. Height of the cone. It is also given. How much given? 12 meters height. This is the 12 meters height. Height is 12 meters. Okay. And after, if water flows into the tank, this tank at a rate 10 cubic meters per minute. For in this volume formula, volume is given, that rate dV by dt is equal to 10 cubic meter per minute. Meter cube per minute. dV by dt given here. How fast is the depth of the water increases when the water is 8 meters deep? So at 8 meters, so some 8 meters here. If this is 8 meters height, here radius of the another top, this let us radius r, this height is h. So here h is equal to 8 meters, then dh by dt how much asking? At 8 meters h is equal to 8 meters, then dh by dt how much? This is the question. How fast is the rate of change in height at 8 meters? The top radius is 5 meters. Here height is the 12 meters. Yet some water flows. After that it will increase some h level. Then radius is r. So here this total triangle and this triangle are similar triangles. Suppose this vertex is O, this is A, this is B. OAB, one right angle triangle, and this is, let us see, and this D. OCD also one right angle triangle. So these are similar triangles because in one triangle another triangle inserted. These sides are both similar. This side, this total side similar. This side similar. So that's why here relation is total length 12 meters by this height h, 12 by h, and radius 5 by this radius r. So why here OCD triangle and triangle OAB similar triangles. That's why these ratios are equal. This total by this radius by this radius. That is the similar triangles condition. From this, keep it. Next, what is the formula for the volume of the cone? Volume of the cone, first of all. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the volume of the cone. R is the radius, h is the height. So next, here he asked dh by dt. That's why this r converted to h terms. So this r is converted to h terms. R equal to 5h by 12. From this, r is equal to 5h by 12. R value. So this r value substitute here. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi a r square. So 5h by 12 whole square into h. Next, V is equal to 1 by 3 5. This is 25 h square by 144 into h. Next, this volume finally V is equal to 5 into 25, 5 by 3 into 144 h cube. Okay, 5 by 3, 25 by 144. Totally this constant came here. H square into h cube. After this, differentiating with respect to t. This differentiating with respect to t on both sides. On both sides. dv by dt is equal to 25 5 by 3 into 144 constant h cube derivative 3h square dh by dt. h cube derivative 3h square, h derivative with respect to dh by dt. Next, dV by dt value given 10 meter cube per minute 10 is equal to 25 5 into 3 h square by 3 into 144 is into dh by dt. Next, dh by dt is equal to 10 into 3 into 144 by 25 5 into 3 h square. Now dh by dt 10 into 3 into 144 by 25 5 3 h square, where h is how much? 8 meters. 8 h is equal to 8 meters. 8 square. Now 5 2s 5 5s and 3 3s 3 cancelled. Here 64. So 8 square means 64. 8 8s 8 1 and 64 8 18s. You see 18 into 8 how much? 144. Yes, 18 correct. So next this is cancelled by 2 4s, 2 9s, 2 2s. So remaining dh by dt is equal to 9 by here 5, here 2, 10, 5. So h in meters. Yes, meters. dt per second. 9 by 10, 5 meters per second. What asking? How fast is the depth of the water increases when the water is 8 meters deep? That is the dh by dt. 9 by 10, 5 meter per second increased height. Ninth problem. A ladder 70 meters long is leaning against the wall. The base of the ladder is pulled away from the wall at a rate of 5 meters per second when the base of the ladder is 8 meters from the wall. Number 1 question in this first division. How fast is the top of the ladder moving down the wall? First question is what? How fast is the top of the ladder moving down the wall? And second question, at what rate of the triangle formed by the ladder, wall and the floor is changing? So first question meaning that decreasing downwards rate how much? The right side moving rate is given, downward rating is asking. In the second question, area of the change, that is dA by dt how much? So one ladder given, length 17 meters. This is the wall, against the wall. This is the ground, taken as x-axis like that. This is the wall. One ladder is like this. This is the ladder. So this length is given, ladder length. How much given? 17 meters. Ladder's length 17 meters given. So this length x, let us x meters. This length y meters. This is the right triangle. So from the right triangle, x, y 17. From the Pythagoras theorem, from this we get x square plus y square is equal to 17 square. First question, how fast is the top of the ladder moving down the wall when it is the 8 meter, when the base of the ladder is 8 meters. Yet x is equal to 8, then y is equal to how much? First you calculate. X substitute here 8 square plus y square is equal to 17 square. Y square is equal to 17 square minus 8 square. So y square is equal to, I think this value is 15 coming. 17 square 289 minus 8 square is the 64. Y square is equal to 5, 8 minus 6, 2, 225 implies y is equal to 15. 15 square is the 25. 15 meters. So y is the 15 meters. X is 8 meters. Next. The base of the ladder is pulled away from the wall at a rate of 5 meters per second. So this x increases. That dx by dt given here. Dx by dt how much? 5 meter per second given. Then dy by dt how much coming? So here x increase means this ladder come to downwards. So this is the negative rate. So given relation, this from this x square plus y square is equal to 17 square, then differentiating with respect to t on both sides. So x square derivative 2x dx by dt plus y square derivative 2y dy by dt. 17 square is the 0 constant derivative. So here 2 common, outside send 0, 2 cancelled. Only x dx by dt plus y dy by dt. We know that x value is 8. X is 8. Then y is 15. So 8 into dx by dt how much? 5 meters per second. Here 5 plus y value 15. dy by dt we find is equal to 0. So 15 dy by dt is equal to minus 8 into 5 minus 40. So dy by dt is equal to minus 40 by 15. 5 3s 5 8s minus 8 by 5. So dy by dt value minus 8 by 3. Okay, meters per second. Meters are, yes, meters per second, not feet, meters per second. So if x increasing rate 5 meters per second, then y decreasing rate minus 8 by 3 meter per second. Okay, this is the first question over. In the second question, subdivision is here. Second question, what asking second? At what rate of the triangle formed by the ladder and wall and the floor is changing? He asking dA by dt how much is the question. dA by dt is the how much is the question. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. A is equal to half into base into height. This is the area of the triangle formula. So here area is equal to half. Base how much? X. Height how much? Here y. X, y. So half x, y. It is A is equal to half x, y. So he asking dA by dt. So differentiating with respect to t on both sides. So dA by dt is equal to half constant xy. Xy is derivative by using the formula product rule, UV rule. UV dash plus VU dash. That is according to that x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. Now dA by dt is equal to 1 by 2 into whereas x is 8. dy by dt is the how much? Minus 8 by 3. Minus 8 by 3 plus y is value how much? Y value 15. dx by dt how much? Previously dx by dt 5 meters per second. This is 5 meters per second. Now after this calculation, half into minus 64 by 3 plus 75. After this, on calculation, dA by dt is equal to half into LCM 3 minus 64 plus 3 into 75. 3 5 is 15. 1 3 7 21 plus 1 22 225. Okay, next dA by dt is equal to 1 by 2. This value 5 minus 4 1. 12 minus 6 161 by 3. So this is dA by dt is equal to 161 by 6. So this value approximately dA by dt is equal to 6 to 12 41 next 6 36 and 5 50 nearly 9 meter square per second. Area in meter square per second. So the rate of change of in the area of the triangle is 26.9 meter square per second. Okay, children. 10th problem. Last, a police jeep approaching an orthogonal intersection from the northern direction is changing a speeding car that has turned and moving straight east. When the jeep is 0.6 kilometers north of the intersection and the car is 0.8 kilometers to the east, the police determine with a radar that the distance between them and the car is increasing at rate 20 km per hour. If the jeep is moving at 60 kilometers per hour at the instant of measurement, what is the speed of the car? This is the jeep. This is the car. Car moving from left to right, east side moving. So x here in moving rate is dx by dt. He asking this only. dx by dt, how much is the question? So this is the x and this is the y. So this is x direction, y directions, x, y, x like that. This is the origin. So here 90 degrees. That's why these two lines are orthogonal intersections here. Orthogonal means 90 degrees. These two lines form a 90 degrees. That's why these lines are orthogonal. This point is orthogonal intersection. So towards orthogonal intersection, this jeep is coming to this side, downwards. So this downward rate dy by dt is negative 60 km per hour given. 60 kilometers per hour given. Where 0.6 kilometers y length, 0.8 kilometers x length, and 60 kilometers per hour this ds by dt. This length is taken as s. This is the hypotenuse. We don't know this hypotenuse. We find the hypotenuse also. Is here s also. How much? Let this is x. This is the y. This hypotenuse is s. Okay. In this x, y, s, x is 0.8 kilometers given, y is 0.6 kilometers given. Here we don't know s value. First of all, find the s value. After that, x rate is dx by dt given. From these values, we find the dy by dt also given. He asking dx by dt how much? Y value given, rate minus 60, downwards rate given. Okay, x is 0.8 kilometers, y is 0.6 kilometers. X 0.8 kilometers, y is the 0.6 kilometers, then s is how much? From the Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square is equal to x square. So here from Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square is equal to s square. Okay, so x is 0.8 whole square plus y is 0.6 whole square is equal to s square. So this is the 0.64, 0.64. This is the 0.36 is equal to s square. 0.36, 0.64, 1.00 is equal to s square. So s square is equal to 1 here. So finally s also 1 kilometer. All units are kilometers. So s is equal to 1 kilometers. X is 0.8 kilometers, y is 0.6 kilometers. That time s is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, he asking dx by dt. So now from the relation x square plus y square is equal to s square, differentiate with respect to time. With respect to time on both sides. On both sides. X square derivative 2x, x derivative 2x dx by dt plus y square is the 2y dy by dt. So s is the here 2s ds by dt with respect to time. So here x, y, s all variables. So here 2, here 2, 2. Both sides 2 cancelled. Now x is how much? 0.8. Dx by dt we don't know. We find this only. Plus y is y value 0.6. 0.6 into dy by dt. Dy by dt minus 60 km per hour. Minus 60 is equal to s value 1. ds by dt 20 kilometers per hour given, increasing at 20 kilometers per hour, 20. Now 0.8 dx by dt minus this value 36, 0 cancelled here, point here 0 cancelled, 6 into 6 36 minus plus into minus minus is equal to 20. Now 0.8 dx by dt is equal to 20 plus 36, 56. After this, dx by dt is equal to 56 by 0.8. Now, dx by dt is equal to 56 by 0.8, 8 by, otherwise 0.8 into 10, multiply by 10 by 10. So, this is 560 by 8. After this, dx by dt is equal to 560 by 8 only. Here 10, here point. So point cancelled, only 8. So this is cancelled by 8 7. 8 7 is 56, remaining 0. So dx by dt finally 70 dx by dt. 70 kilometer, all are kilometers per hour. The car speed is the 70 kilometers per hour. At x value 0.8, y value 0.6, then the dx by dt is the 70 kilometers per hour. Okay, right.